Did you encounter Genshin Impact keeps crashing or keeps stopping error on Android? If yes, then don't worry, as in this video, I will share some best ways to fix it. But before going to the fixes, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Method 1. Force stop Genshin Impact. Follow the steps. First, open Settings on your phone. Then, move to Apps and Notifications and click on All Apps. Now, look for the Genshin Impact app. Click it to open and choose the Force Stop option. Method 2. Delete Genshin Impact cache and data. Follow the steps. First, open Settings on phone. Now, click on Apps and Notifications, see All Apps. Next, find and click on Genshin Impact app. Then, click on Storage and Cache. Finally, click on the Clear Cache. Method 3. Check for low storage space. One of the major reasons for Genshin Impact not loading Android is due to less storage on the phone. Therefore, you are suggested to check your device and ensure it does have too much space. Method 4. Close all background apps. While playing the game, avoid running any other apps in the background. This is highly recommended because there may be some apps that use your network resources and this affects your game. Method 5. Use minimum graphics. You should change the graphics settings of the app. Follow the steps. First, launch the game on your phone. Now, click on Menu, then Settings. Next, click on the graphics option. Here, change the quality to the lowest. Method 6. Update Genshin Impact. Follow the steps. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone. Now, click on the menu icon, Manage Apps and Device option. Then, look for the Updates Available tab. Here, search for Genshin Impact and click on Update. Method 7. Remove unwanted audio packs. Here's what you have to do. First, open the Genshin game. Now, open Payment menu, Settings, Language option. Under Language, select Manage Voice over Files. Method 8. Uninstall and reinstall Genshin Impact. Follow the steps. First, tap and hold Genshin Impact app on phone. Now, click on Remove or Delete app, confirm it. Next, open Google Play Store, search for Genshin Impact app. Finally, click on Install. Method 9. Go for factory reset. Follow the steps. First, open Settings on your Android device. Now, click on Backup and Reset option. Then, click on Factory Data Reset, Reset Device. Finally, tap on Erase Everything option.